case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1997 case, Ernst v. Child and Youth Services of Chester County, tackled the question of whether child welfare workers and attorneys should be protected from being held responsible for their actions in dependency cases, similarly to how prosecutors are protected in criminal cases. The case centered around Sylvia Ernst, a grandmother who had been the legal guardian of her granddaughter Suzanne until the child turned 9. After community concerns over the well-being of the child rose, the police investigated and discovered past warrants for the arrest of Ernst and her daughter for child neglect. Although the warrants had been withdrawn, Chester County Children and Youth Services, CYS, decided to seek custody of Suzanne. The court granted CYS custody for nearly 5 years. Ernst sued CYS and individual caseworkers for violating her constitutional rights. While the court determined that CYS defendants were not entitled to absolute immunity as social workers, they granted absolute immunity for those involved in the prosecution of the dependency proceedings. They found that Ernst's substantive due process rights were violated, but the harm caused was minimal. The court ultimately held that CYS defendants were entitled to absolute immunity for recommendations concerning Suzanne's dependency status. Additionally, it ruled that Borzillo, a key figure in the case, was entitled to immunity for actions taken on CYS's behalf, despite violating Ernst's due process rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.